Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is Tu Alpa. Today we're going to be looking at 4-in-1 email kit that everyone that works online actually need to have. Either you are into marketing, you are into spamming, you are into real estate agency or whatsoever you do online and you deals with leads. This is the tools you actually need to have. The first one is email extractor. With this email extractor, you can scrape email out from the internet with your keywords, and you can also scrape email out with your URL. The second one is the email verifier. This can help you to verify valid and invalid emails. An email sorter is an application that actually that will filter out, or let me say that will sort domains email for you. For example, you can easily sort out Gmails separately, Yahoo Mail separately, Hotmail separately. That's what it does. And you need an email sender. Email sender is just an application to send it to you. After you have your lead extractor, verify it, and sort it out. So today I'm going to be walking into a process on how to do all this. This is the core software. This is the first thing. And we're going to be talking on email extractor. That's the first one. This is the email extractor. To do that, you right click, you're going to have it this way, then you extract the folder. So you extract it like this. Okay. So you wait for it to be. Now the extraction is done. To save yourself from probably a window defender issue, you can easily off your window defender from here. So you go to this place. Okay. Go to your window defender and make sure it's off. Say this is on, and I can easily on it like this. So save yourself from this stress. Okay. Now you open this email extractor. Then you can see we have two files. We have the installer. So you open the installer first. Then you install the setup. Yes, I install it like this. Next, agree, install. So just wait for the installation process to be done. Okay, please note this. Uncheck this box. Do not run. Again, do not run. So you uncheck it and you click on finish. Okay, this is done. You go back to this place and you go to the patched executable here. You open this, then you copy this patched. Okay, just copy show more option and copy. Then you can close all this. Then go back to your desktop and locate the file that you just installed, the software that you just installed, which is the email extractor. Okay, the scan email extractor. All right, you can see this is the file I just installed. So you right click on the file on your desktop and you go to the program file. You say this is open file location. Open the file location. Then from this box, right click this and show more. Then paste this. Click on replace the file in destination. Then you continue. Okay, done. It's done now. Now to confirm this, if you want to open this software, please note this very important. If you want to open this software, you go to your Wi-Fi, your internet connection settings, and make sure you off this internet connection. Off it. It's off now. Then you can open the software. Just watch. Run. The reason for doing this is to bypass the update part of it. You can see it's open and you see registered version. Okay, now you can now go back to your internet connection and connect it back. Okay. Yeah, so you're good now. That's the first thing. I'm going to drag this. So drag this off now. Okay. Now, after this, then you can make your search through the web. Like I said, use your keywords. You can see these are the keywords you can use, or you can put URL. For example, let's say we are going to say Bitcoin. Let's just put crypto. Okay, let's say we put crypto. You select your country and you hit the button search to search for this keyword. Then the software is started getting you related to the keywords that you just input. Okay, so that's the first thing on how you can extract emails. While this one is still ongoing, let's go to the second part of this video. And the second part says email verifier. So to do your email verifier, same process. You go to this your application in the back. You go to the verifier here, right click, and you extract the folder. Click on extract. Okay, then here it comes. You open this verifier. Then this is the software. You double click on it to install. Okay, continue with your installation. Next, agree and install. Don't forget, you don't have to launch after it's installed. You see, make sure it's on check. Don't make it blow. On check it, then you finish. Then go to this crap exe. You click on this. You copy this. Then you locate your Sky email verifier on your desktop. Start step one. Sky email verifier on desktop. So from here, you right click, you open the file location, then you paste in this, Ctrl V, you place this, okay. So once this is done, don't forget, let's just stop our extractor. Stop. I'm going to stop this, just wait. Then you come down to off your connection the same way we do the other time. Okay, once this is off, then so I can then open my verifier. Now this is open also. So to make this work faster for me, I can just export this to my email verifier. You can see export emails to verifier. I can just export it immediately. Done. Because I already have it on my software. Okay, so it automatically export them for me. And you can see this is it in my email verifier. And in your own case, if you don't want to export like that, you can easily import the emails from your file location. Okay, you can import it wherever it is. And okay, now we've imported here, so we can just start checking and verifying this. Oh, sorry, I forget. I have not connected back to the internet, so I'm going to connect back to it. Connected, so let's do it again. Export email to verifier. So it's now verifying it for us. You can see it's now verifying. While this, you can see while this verification is ongoing, let's do the next one. Going back to this, we are going to this 4 pack. Now we are left to the email sorter. We go to the email sorter here. We right click to extract the file. Okay, extract all. We extract the file. Then we're going to install it. So on this sorter, I'm going to off the connection also. You just need to open directly, then double click this to open. So run. There is no need for you to install the sorter, so you can see it's registered. Then I can connect back to my internet. So the next thing we're going to be doing here is to import your email. So let me look for email to import here. So from this, let's say open email file from here, and I'll go to document. This is okay. This is one email 100 kg. Let me open this. Okay, now you can see it's reading, so please wait. So after uploading this, you can see the Office 365 is there. The number of Gmails that we have in the file is there. So if you want to go for just this Gmail, you go to export to TXT. You export just this one, and whichever one that you want to export, after it's downloading, then you export them. And it's going to have that one separately. So the last one in this video is the email sender. So this is the email sender. Same way you extract the file like this, and you extract or install the file. So we have the file here. Double click to install. Okay, let's use this without installing. So off your internet connection like this. The same way we use this. Of course. Then you open this Sky email sender. So once this is open, then connect back to your connection. Okay, please note, in case the first software here is not running on your PC, this email sender will be this email sender is not running on your PC, then make use of this email sender, key email sender. This is the one I opened. So just off your connection and open this. Then you going to have this. Now let me just quickly explain this interface of the software for the purpose of people that don't know how this works. The first options you are seeing here is SMTP account. In your own case, this SMTP part will be empty. It's going to be blank because you don't have any SMTP on it. Now, your own is to put your SMTP. You can get SMTP from store, and at the same time you can get in touch with me if you want to set up SMTP. We set up SMTP from $100 above, depend on the kind of SMTP you want. Okay, you can do new account, and you also have a tutorial on how you can set up your own SMTP server if you want to get the course. Now, if you have your SMTP credentials, you can just put any name for you to remember the type of SMTP you are using. Just put one. Then from email of your SMTP to your reply to where you want your emails to get reply to. Then from email, from name, the name you want to use, your SMTP host, the SMTP port will be here, the SMTP username and the password. If it's SSL, if it's TLS, and if it's none, you uncheck now. Then you click on OK to save them. So that's how to apply your SMTP on the server. Once that is applied, we have the email template, which is where you're going to write your email content. Okay, in your case, you're going to have, I think there's one by default, there is one template there, but you can click on new template, and from there you can put your template. You can see the default is here. You can clear the whole thing, Control A, clear, and write your own content. Your subject will be here, and you want to write an HTML. To upload an HTML, you can easily put your HTML in this box and put your HTML code. Okay, then the next thing is for you to put in your emails that you want to send. So you click on start. There you're going to find where to put your email. You can see you can either import your emails from your file or whatever, or you can copy and paste, which is very simple. Just on your text, whatever bits you want to blast. You can Control A, Control C, and come back in here, paste the email leads there. Then once you paste, you pick your SMTP here, the SMTP you want to use. That's the purpose of choosing SMTP name, so you can remember the one you want to use. So you pick the name of SMTP you want to use. You pick your message and you click on start, and the software is going to start sending. Sorry, my SMTP are dead, that's why you are seeing this result. Okay, it starts sending. So that's how to use the software. It's just a basic demo on how you can set up, how to install the software on your PC. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you